Hi everyone, I'm Stacy, your online instructor. Today we're going to look at how do we update a file in our course site. So if you take a look here, I'm on my course site at my homepage, and I'm going to click on content. I've uploaded a file for all of us to use as an example. The first file here, it's named Chicago Cover Letter Template. We're going to use this. I'm going to open it up for you here. So here's our file. It's a template of a cover letter that can be used on a resume. You can see it's all in black writing. I'm going to use the breadcrumbs to go back to my content section in my course information and click on this arrow. It's going to show us a drop-down list, and I'm going to select Change File. When I select Change File, you'll see the next screen. So when we get to this page, we have several options. I'm going to take you for a little tour. The drop-down list here has several options that we saw on the other page. We could from here create a new file from scratch. We could upload a file from our computer. We could record a video or record some audio, or we can choose an existing file from our D2L site. I'm going to go ahead and cancel here, and we're going to upload a file from the computer. So when I click Upload Template, you're going to see on the screen a box that shows files that we can select from our computer. I'm going to select a new cover letter file. And you can see here that we have a max of 1 gigabit on our file size. We can, if needed, X out of this if we uploaded the wrong file from our computer. We can also notify students that content has changed. When we want to notify our students of this change, we can select this checkbox, and we can also add in the summary of changes if we choose to. You'll also notice on the right-hand side of this box, we can reset our completion tracking if we are tracking what students are looking at on our sites. When we click Update, if you have uploaded a file with this name already, you'll have the option to create or overwrite the file. Make sure you know which one you would like, either creating a new file or overwriting an existing file. I'm going to overwrite the existing file and press Save. Once I do that, my new file is uploaded to my course site, and we can preview it here. You can see that this one is different. It has some blue font instead of all black writing. Now, if we go back to where we were, following the breadcrumbs, you can see here that the file name has not changed. I chose to leave it the same, but you're more than welcome to change it yourself. This has been How to Change a File in D2L. I'm Stacy, your online instructor, and happy learning.